C7's down here, right there. So you typically see us do this for occiput, but we can actually do it through the entire spine. You just need a little bit more lateral bend for mid-cervicals.
Holy shit.
Ooh.
Damn.
Dang. That was
yeah.
crisp, yeah.
Damn. That was good.
And you do have this left shift of your atlas. Doesn't necessarily mean that there's more bone, but just because of the relation between your skull and your neck, half of the measurements, it shifts more towards the right. Just gonna go through this line of drive here.
Wow.
Ooh.
Dang, I didn't even, wow. Out the door.
Yep.
Wow.
Bye-bye pain.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dang. That's good. Yes.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. I didn't even know I could do that.
Turn to the right.
Yeah.
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 How'd that feel?
Yeah,
Smoother?
that's good. Yeah.
But how's this experience been? Because you guys came all the way from New York.
The best.
Yeah?
Excellent. Yeah, I would definitely come back.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
Hey, I'm glad.
Yeah, thank
Hey,
you so
high five.
much.